Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm showing you a super easy and fun craft, how to make pom-poms using a plastic carry bag. Take a clean plastic carry bag. Cut off the bottom and the handle portions. Now cut small strips from the plastic bag. Open each strip and connect them together to make plastic yarn. Repeat the interlooping process with all the plastic strips until you get one long, continuous strand. You can roll the plastic yarn into a ball or wind it onto a piece of cardboard to keep it neat and easy to use. Next, cut a rectangle out of cardboard. Cut another smaller rectangle from the middle to create a frame. Keep the width of the cardboard according to size you want for the pom-pom. I have wound it for about 50 turns. Using a twine, tie the middle portion tightly. Cut open the yarn on both sides. Gently remove the yarn from the cardboard. Trim the edges neatly and fluff it up. And your plastic pom-pom is ready. You can use it for craft projects, decorations, or kids' activities. If you like this recycling craft, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY ideas. Thank you for watching and see you in the next craft tutorial.